Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Hi guys, just a quick reminder to please subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Talks with Deezer. Talks with Deezer. The link to my new channel is in the description of this video, or you can just type in Talks with Deezer, the channel will come up. Guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed already. I really appreciate the love and support. Guys, the video has got great views on there, over 1,600 views. So please, can you all help me from Datmisa TV? Please go over to my new channel, hit the subscribe button. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. You know that's any YouTuber's goal, to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can become monetized. Yeah, so please, I'm asking you to support my channel. If you've watched the video and you've not pressed the subscribe button, please subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And as soon as I hit the 1,000 subscribers mark, there's Mr. Outlaw. As soon as I hit the 1,000 subscribers mark, I will be dropping the new video. Outlaw, come here. What do you say to the people about Talks with Deezer? What must they do?
Yes, please. You know, we're being transparent, so you need to talk with Deezer.
Please do. Yeah, you need to talk with me, right?
You need to talk,
guys. This channel, I'm very vulnerable. I'm very open. I let my guard down, and I'll be talking about some of the things there, right? Some of my experiences in life. So it's very personal, but it's also a very special channel to me. So please help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for all the love and support so far. Talks with Deezer.
That is it.
Okay. Hey guys, we are in Negril today. Yes. We haven't been to Negril for a very long time, maybe just under a year, like 10-11 months since we were last in Negril. We're actually working today, so work brings us, my lips are so greasy, right? It's lip gloss. Work brings us to Negril today. I love my job. You know, we're in Negril on work purposes only, I promise you. Yes, so we're in Negril. We're gonna make our way over to Rick's Cafe, maybe go down to Margaritaville, and yeah, maybe a few little bits and pieces in between. So of course I'm going to take you guys along with us today. Yeah, I love Negril. I was just saying to Outlaw, like, we need to come and do a staycation. It's been such a long time since we last did a staycation in Negril, and there's something about Negril. Yeah, I love Negril. It's just a different type of vibe from everywhere else, different vibe from Ochi, different vibe from Mabay. So yes, I do love Negril. So a little weekend break would be great. Yeah, hopefully we can do that soon. But yes guys, it's Negril today, Westmoreland. Yeah, alright. Alright people, yes, there we are. 1974, Rick's Cafe. Here we are. Yes. Once again. Negril. Rick's Cafe. Let him take a picture. Touristy spot, I know that not everybody likes to do all the tourist things, but it is a beautiful spot nonetheless. So yeah, I don't know, our first long-time subscribers, if you've been with us for a long time, you remember when Outlaw sat down there and was dancing away. Yeah. So here we are, and you know, some people jump from here, some people jump from here, some of them jump from up there. The experienced diver jumps all the way from up there. Yeah. Look at the water, how beautiful it is. Beautiful. going over there. We all get excited then. See that? I would never jump off it, never. But I'm not a strong swimmer, and me and water, I love to watch it. Love to be by the sea breeze and everything. Good to watch, spectate, but not participate. Yes. Right, this is Outlaw's favourite spot. Every time we come here, this is where you'll find him, right here. Every time we come, this is where he is, in this cave. Always in this cave. Holding a vibe. In the cool shade, right?
Got chill pill, yeah.
Take a chill pill. And he looks out, this is what we look out into. Yeah, this is our view. Oh, there's a pool over there, yeah.
Way up there.
Rich things. Sometimes they have like live music, live shows, like in the evening time. So in the evening, every evening this place is packed because there's a beautiful sunset. So people come here for the sunset.
Okay.
So in the evening, tonight
Nice
it will be
view of the
full.
sea, too.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get a drink first. Drink of water. Yeah, and go upstairs. Beautiful view from upstairs. Yeah. So we're here quite early. It's what, about 12 o'clock? Just after 12? 12 o'clock midday. So we're here. Yeah, what time? 25 past 12. So it's quite early. So we got about 12. So it's quite early. So it's not very full. But you know what it's like in the evening. Packed in the evenings. You know, everybody comes to Ritz Cafe in the evening because they want to come watch the sunset. Yeah, so that's the time that it's most busiest. Guests come down and they come from the water and they go back on. They go to Sandals, which is down there. Yeah, look at that. Climbing aboard. All aboard. Oh, those are the ones we took the photo for, right? Those are the same guys that took the photo for.
Yeah, right.
Nice. Yeah. Come back on the boat. Straight on top of the deck. Back to Sandals. Yeah. We're still in the grill at X-Derby now.
Yeah.
The cliffs, the caves. We've vlogged this before, a long time ago. But,
Yeah, man, we do something.
but we're going to show you a little bit now. But look, Outlaw's always going to, every time we come here, he's going to show you this. Look at this, guys.
That's something there. See that?
Y'all know what that is?
You know, me never left for something, yeah. Every time I come here, I see this. I always have something to show now for that something. Yeah, man, I read something, man.
The best from West.
The best in West. We call it purple skunk. Yeah. Yeah, man.
They purple skunk?
Yeah, man, it's a purple skunk, man. Let me show you what's going on here. Look at that. See that purple thing right there? You see that purple? You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, that is it.
There's that purple skunk.
Right there.
This one the best from the West, baby.
Right.
That's it, best from the West.
They're like where we from. Best from the West. We from the West side.
Yeah, and that is it.
Alright, we're going down into the caves. It says slippery and wet. Let's start down here. In the caves. Look at this. We have showed this before a very long time ago. Look, in the caves. You can even have a party and look, there's a bar here. Got lights in the caves. I hope there's no bats in here. Yeah. And then, look at this, guys. This caves. And then, this is what we come to. Love, guys, we never come to Negril and don't stop here at Derby. Yeah. People come swimming here. Yeah, people come and swim. Look, caves up there. Caves. Caves.
a picture right there. Let's take a picture.
Yeah.
That's a video?
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah. Sometimes there's fishes in here, isn't there? A lot of the time.
Take him a picture.
Picture?
Yeah. Let's go around that side. Come, let's go around that side.
Yeah.
Is it like they,
People come, we swim. Love this. Like I said, we never come to Negril and don't stop here. If we've got guests and tourists, we always show them this place. Yeah, love it here. Look at that. Yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. More around this side. There we are.
Yeah, man.
and you get that good breeze.
That is it, bro.
Big, big rocks.
Yeah, man.
Big
Solid
cliffs.
rocks.
Yeah, solid,
Solid rock.
solid, solid. Yeah, and this is something like a
Sometimes when the sea is rough, the water come right up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when it's
Come
rough,
up.
they come right up here.
Will it help with a backflow or something?
It's still nice inside here, man. So this is the cave and rocks of Extavi, Western Negril. Yeah, rocks and caves of Extavi, Western Negril. Beautiful. Yeah, man. A lot of things to see.
Alright guys, so now we are at Margaritaville, just pulled up, have a look. Margaritaville in Negril, yeah. Here we are. It's a big flip flop.
Give me that.
Big zipper.
Respect. Look at Chris. Yeah. Come on. Never drop it. Go on.
Can you see him?
Yeah. You come to life.
Let's still go to him tonight.
Right there.
Yeah.
Soon I get this.
Here we are, Margaritaville.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, Margaritaville. Guys, Negril Beach, 7 Mile Beach. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you love.
Yeah, man.
Let's get everything on the side.
Yeah.
Right
We got the party boat.
Let's get everything right. Everybody wants to,
Yes. Party boat. Look at that. Party boat. Yes, they load up from here. You know, it's going to be music and drinking. It looks like a catamaran. Yeah. Negril is a vibe, people. Negril is a vibe. Hey, hey. This is our guest, guys. That's our guest for today. He's having a great time. Loving it. Trying to learn all the new dances. Guys, beautiful, isn't it? It's just a vibe. Just a vibe. People going on the boat there. Yeah, people going on the party boat. Yes guys, it's a vibe. Beach is a vibe. Margaritaville, the 7 Mile Beach is a vibe. can see the people dancing, party boat, all the most. Yeah, yeah, nice day, and there's a nice breeze blowing. Yeah, good thing, good times, good times. Take a little walk. Yes, people, just take a little stroll on the beach. Maybe dip my foot in the water. Oh, they got the little bouncings out there as well. There's a little like guest houses and hotels. Look at the sand. White sand. Oh, it's not cold at all. It's not cold. It's warm. It's nice and warm. It's nice and warm. Yeah.
Yeah, hey people, you know, so we're on a job. The job we're on, you know. Right now we're on a job from Chillon to Westmoreland. We're on diesel. And look at diesel. She's chilling. And we're still on the job.
I'm chilling. Chilling in the grill.
And we're still on the job. Look at
I'm
that.
still working.
Eh?
This is working, guys.
Look at this job. You can think about this job. We're on the job and look at diesel.
We are God blessed.
Chilling under the umbrella. There she is. At Margaritaville with the Negril.
Yeah.
That's diesel. One of the umbrellas there.
Work.
Let's put them on now. Come to life.